happy holidays. Guess what? We have another unboxing. And this is from our wonderful channel supporters who have an awesome YouTube channel, by the way. Danette and Anthony. DNA. And they surprised us. We were getting ready to go live stream at Diker Heights, and they drove up and they dropped off a package in our building. And I was coming back from the post office, and there's Anthony, and then Danette was in the car outside. You already saw.
Danette and Anthony.
Hudson, by the way, already got a sneak peek at these gifts because they gave us the bag, and this was sticking out. What do you think, Mr. Hudson?
Yeah, look at him.
Your little Woodstock.
Woodstock.
What do you think?
Oh, man, that is great. Yeah, we have Snoopy. Now we have Woodstock.
Exactly.
Yeah,
exactly.
little pair. Like DNA, Danette and Anthony. Like J and K.
Yes,
James and Karla. Let me see.
Isn't it adorable?
Oh, it's great.
It's adorable.
Woodstock.
Hudson's nosing. He's nosing in the package.
Yeah, he's
already.
here. Let's put Woodstock right there.
Okay.
Oops. It's like everyone's falling over in us.
Well, Hudson already spotted gift number 2. Go get it.
Go ahead, Hudson.
Go get it.
Oh, he's being a good boy.
Yeah, he's sleepy from his big walk yesterday.
Look
at this.
Look at the marshmallows.
Look at Coco.
Santa's favorite.
With the marshmallow.
Look at there's 2 of them. Look at them. Yeah, look at Hudson.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna take these dangerous. I'm gonna take this because we're gonna be going.
What
down
a
the
cute
hall.
bag too.
I know. We're gonna be going down the hall, so I'm gonna take these tags off.
Oh man.
Look at the little squish.
I see it.
It's a squishable.
It's a squishable. Yeah.
Very, very
Oh,
cute.
just awesome, guys.
Hudson's loving it.
How cheerful is that?
No.
Look at Hudson. Don't watch the.
Wait, guys. There's more in this adorable bag with the candy canes.
Yeah. So
Wait.
Christmassy.
Oh.
Oh.
What
Hey
is
now.
this?
Oh no, the gauntlet
My God.
has been thrown down yet again.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God, Santa Express.
Santa Express. How many pieces? How
1,000.
many pieces?
1,000. Oh, we gotta get cracking.
Bonus poster inside.
Oh wow, let me get the light right. Oh, that is great. He's got a little teddy. Look at all the teddy bears.
And guess who makes this?
Who?
White Mountain Puzzles. We were in
Oh
the
yeah.
White Mountains of New Hampshire.
Yeah, New Hampshire.
Oh my God.
Oh man, that is even the box is heavy.
In Jackson, New Hampshire.
Yeah, we know right where that is.
Wow.
And even the box is heavy.
Oh,
Oh God. Yeah.
Okay.
We gotta get cracking.
I know.
We gotta...
Oh, here's a card. I should have read the card first.
Yeah.
I didn't notice the card. It
Look
says,
at Hudson.
Mr. and Mrs. J. Murray.
Oh.
Ooh, how formal. From Danette and Anthony.
Oh, geez.
Okay, here we go. Oh, look, guys.
Oh, let's see. Oh, that's great. God, that looks
Pretty,
so.
right?
Yeah, it looks so like cool.
Dear Karla and
Vintage.
James, may you be surrounded by everything that makes you happy this Christmas and always. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Enjoy, love, Danette and Anthony.
Oh, nice.
Oh, thank you, Danette and Anthony. So this is a copy of New York Magazine.
Yeah, they've been
Danette and
holding it
Anthony
for us.
Picked this up for us in August, and they've been holding it for us because it has our photo of the King. And we couldn't get a copy of the magazine. Hold on, Hudson, I know you want to go play with your toys. But wait, there's...
Look at him. He's going in the bag. Oh, yeah, our picture of Papaya King. Awesome,
Extra
guys.
good. Thank you,
Thanks
Danette
to that,
and
Anthony. Yeah, thanks,
now,
guys.
Hudson,
That was really great.
Oh my God.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
What is this? Christmas vacation.
Oh my God, it's a Christmas vacation National Lampoon Christmas vacation game.
I've never seen it. Oh, one of our favorite Christmas
Get ready
movies.
for a good old-fashioned family Christmas with a roll of the dice. Try your luck at getting rid, James. Try your luck at getting rid of all your holiday troubles.
Oh yeah.
See, besides watching James and Karla, you can
sure.
play National Lampoon's
Oh, I
Christmas
can't
Vacation.
wait.
Chase after that elusive Christmas bonus. Remember that?
Yeah, the Jam in a Month Club.
Yeah, for no, the Christmas bonus
Yeah, the
where he
pool.
went to the boss's house.
Oh yeah.
For an even bigger winning streak. But watch out for Cousin Eddie's clogging up your plans. You know what Cousin Eddie...
Standing out there smoking.
Yeah. Do you have what it takes to have the happiest Christmas of them all.
Oh man,
Oh
guys,
my God, I've never
that
seen
is
this.
absolutely fantastic.
Oh my God, I'm not gonna open it.
Look at it
now,
has
but
the
I can't
that's an
wait.
RV
Yeah.
on the cover.
And look at all the sweaters.
Oh look, yeah, look at it.
I can't wait.
In
I can't wait to play
the
that.
eggnog mug that Eddie drinks from.
Yes.
And then he drops the thing on the candles that are spinning around.
So wait, we gotta
ruins the whole
we
thing.
gotta play this, and we'll live
Yeah, and
stream
there's
us
snots.
playing it.
There's snots.
Yeah, we're
Oh,
gonna,
my keys are in the way.
What we'll live stream us playing this.
Yeah,
game.
let me show snots. There's snots. There's the family truckster. Oh man, there's the Christmas sweater. Oh, beautiful. Just absolutely sick.
And wait, guys, there's more.
Yeah.
There's one more treat in here.
What do you think? Ah!
Seinfeld
cards.
playing cards.
Oh my God! Look at.
I have
Oh, you
to
gotta
open
open it up.
I have to
Pick
open
a
this
card,
up.
Eddie. Look at Hudson. He's intrigued. Oh, he loves the Seinfeld guys. Oh, Danette and Anthony.
So, guys, I got the packaging open.
Ah! Look at Hudson's like, deal me in.
I got the package open, not
Oh,
open.
jeez.
So let's check this out.
Oh, you guys are too much. Look at
he's
this.
giving the police
Look
ball.
at the Seinfeld cards. Just pick a card, any card, and show me. The coffee. Oh man, look at that. Yeah.
That's,
Yeah. And then show the face cards.
Wait, the dad's wallet.
Yeah.
The
To give
dad's
George.
wallet.
No, George, you can't fold it.
Oh, that was George's wallet that he
Yeah.
couldn't fold. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you master of your domain?
Oh yeah, Kramer's out. I'm out.
Oh my God! The
Yeah, he's still
roaster,
little.
the
Yeah,
the
Kenny
roaster
Roger,
chicken.
and he's been by the neon.
Butter
Yeah.
neon. Oh
Yeah,
my
no,
God.
he's been sunbathing in butter.
Yeah. The
Oh
puppy
man,
shirt.
I don't want to be a pirate. Oh, these are fantastic,
Oh, my God.
guys. Danette and
These are
Anthony, my
amazing.
gosh, I can't wait to look at this. I've never seen this game and the
Little
cards.
police force.
No,
Okay.
go now. Let's see if the coast is clear.
Okay. Hudson's been a very good boy. He's been
It's a
waiting.
HUD time. He's been tired.
Waiting for
All
us
the
to
all the
down
action.
the whole time. Okay, so let's make sure coast is clear.
It looks like the coast is it?
Let me make sure. Coast is clear.
All
Coast is clear, guys. Coast is
Here
clear.
we go.
Hudson's ready.
Hudson's awake.
Which one first? Marshmallow with
Throw
cocoa?
this one first. It's a harder to throw.
Okay,
Here,
Woodstock.
let me-
Show everybody Woodstock.
Okay. Huds.
And he's off.
And he's off.
Big shake. Big
Oh,
shake.
look at him. He loves it.
Go get Woodstock. Go get Woodstock. Come on.
Look at him. He's playing with it right there. Yeah.
Woodstock. Come on.
Oh, throw the mug. Throw the mug.
Santa's favorite.
Oh, Santa's favorite. Look at the marshmallows up on top.
It's squishable.
Oh, yeah. Here we go, Huds. Yeah, look at him go. He's got a head start.
Oh, that was a good throw,
Here
right?
he comes. Yeah. Look at him. He's trying to run with it.
Yeah, he's trying to get them. He's trying to get the marshmallow out.
Yep. Huds. Oh my God, he loves it, guys. Danette and Anthony, fantastic job.
Oh my God, Danette and Anthony, that is so adorable. Thank you
Oh,
so
you guys
much
are the
for
best.
these
Check out their
amazing
channel,
gifts.
everyone.
Yeah, check out their channel, Danette and Anthony.
Give them a subscribe.
Extra good. Look at
They
this.
do
We're gonna
great
have
stuff.
So much fun. Hudson's like
Great
wandering
stories,
around
great
with
food.
Woodstock. But
Yeah.
look at this. We're gonna play Christmas Vacation.
And the
We
Seinfeld.
gotta do the puzzle.
Yeah.
We're gonna play cards with Seinfeld.
Cards with Seinfeld.
Extra good. We're
And
gonna bring these
Hudson's
to
enjoy.
Florida so we can show them.
Yeah, during
with
the game.
We'll have our Seinfeld.
Yeah. During
the
our Lego.
So
Yep.
thanks, guys.
Thanks so much, Dan Anthony.